Hi, let me show you how to easily create a Proforma invoice. Let's say that I'm an exporter based in the USA and I want to sell a 20-foot container of furniture products to my buyer in Australia. For the seller, I can select from my pre-saved list or click Create New to create and save new company details. Let's say ABC Exports. The buyer I will select from my list. Method of dispatch by sea, type of shipment, FCL, port of loading is Long Beach, port of discharge, Sydney. On the right, I put my invoice number and date, and I can choose to put a delivery date. Terms of payment, let's say 50% deposit, balance on bill of lading. Then I enter the products into my Proforma invoice. I can click and select my products or click Create New to create and save new product details. So I select some bar stools. All of the information is entered. I just have to enter the quantity. I click Add Line and keep adding more products. At the bottom, I can add any additional surcharges, such as freight and other surcharges here. I can enter any additional information to the document or add my bank details here to help me get paid faster. Then I select the Incoterm, FOB, at Long Beach. And select the currency, US dollars. Then at the bottom, I sign and date the document. Place of issue is Long Beach. Select the date. Signatory company is my company, ABC Exports. Name of authorized signatory is my name. And I can sign using my mouse, or if I've already created my profile signature, I just click Use Profile Signature and it will automatically insert into the document. At the top, I confirm my reference number and then click Save, and the document will be created. On the left, I can view the document and it will show exactly as I created it on my screen. On the right, I can download and print the document here. And open the PDF document and it will show exactly as I created it on my screen.